Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, B2083 and B2084 are associated with the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey's right power sliding door system. DTC B2083 indicates a malfunction within the right power slide motor circuit, which is essential for controlling the opening and closing of the power sliding door. Meanwhile, DTC B2084 refers to a malfunction within the electromagnetic clutch circuit of the same motor. The power sliding door control unit, found in the vicinity of the sliding door mechanism on the right side, orchestrates the functions of these components by managing electrical signals and ensuring power flows correctly. The electromagnetic clutch allows for manual operation of the door if required. Thus, its failure could lead to the door not responding as expected. Addressing these codes involves checking both the circuit integrity and the functionality of the components involved, ensuring the sliding door operates efficiently and safely. DTC B2083 signifies an issue with the circuit that supplies power to the right power slide motor, which is responsible for the door's automated opening and closing. This motor is located along the right sliding door rail assembly, integral for the door's functional operations. DTC B2084 points to an electromagnetic clutch failure within the same system, which can prevent the motor from correctly engaging. The electromagnetic clutch adds an element of manual control to the door's operation, giving the user the ability to operate the door manually if needed. If there is a malfunction, it could lead either to an unresponsive door or erratic behavior when trying to utilize the sliding door feature. These codes may appear during diagnostics, indicating that it's essential to troubleshoot the input and connections to the power sliding door control unit to identify the specific cause of these errors. When diagnosing DTC B2083 and B2084, there are several potential causes to consider. A faulty power sliding door control unit is a prime candidate. If it fails, it will not relay the commands necessary to operate the door. Additionally, electrical connection issues can arise from corroded or loose connections, which can disrupt power flow and data signals. A damaged wiring harness could also be a factor, leading to shorts or open circuits that prevent component functionality. Moreover, the motor or the electromagnetic clutch may have sustained physical damage or wear over time, causing either to fail to engage properly. Each of these components plays a crucial role in the operation of the power sliding door, and thoroughly examining them is necessary during the troubleshooting process. Symptoms associated with the DTCs B2083 and B2084 may include the sliding door becoming unresponsive, where it does not open or close when prompted. Additionally, erratic door movements can occur, leading to the door starting and stopping unexpectedly. Such behavior might suggest that the control signals from the power sliding door control unit are being interrupted. Another possible symptom could be stalling during the operation, where the door may pause and fail to complete its full range of motion. Owners may also find that error codes appear intermittently, suggesting possible electrical issues rather than a consistent fault. By identifying these symptoms, technicians can focus their attention on specific components and wiring that may be causing the failures. The first step in troubleshooting DTCs B2083 and B2084 involves using the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System, to clear the existing DTCs. Clearing DTCs is significant since it resets the system and allows technicians to monitor if the codes reoccur after addressing potential issues. The HDS provides a detailed diagnostic report that helps identify specific faults within the vehicle systems. Before proceeding, ensure the HDS is connected properly and that all previous fault codes have been documented for further analysis. After clearing the codes, it's crucial to continue to the subsequent troubleshooting steps to capture any fresh data, which will assist in uncovering underlying problems affecting the right power sliding door mechanism. The next step requires turning the ignition switch to the lock 0 position and then back to the on 2 position. This procedure helps to ensure that all electrical systems reset correctly. The process allows the vehicle's onboard computer to initialize the components involved with the power sliding door. It's critical that this step is performed meticulously, as interruptions during this phase could affect the system's readiness to respond to further tests. Following this, technicians should be prepared to carry out operational tests on the power sliding door systems to determine if the issues persist following the reset. Re-establishing power connection aids in spotting any possible electronic faults within the system at this stage. In this troubleshooting phase, it's essential to turn the power sliding door main switch on. This switch activates the door's automated function, allowing the control unit to receive input and control signals for operation. By engaging this switch, technicians can assess whether the system responds appropriately when commanded. Monitoring the switch's activity will also help determine if the control unit effectively receives signals necessary for the sliding door's operation. If the switch remains inoperative despite being turned on, it may indicate a fault in the switch itself or in the signaling circuit to the control unit. Observing the functionality at this step is crucial in narrowing down the cause of the originally reported DTCs. Next, technicians should open and close the right power sliding door at least 3 times. This repetitive action allows for thorough testing of the door's operation, while simultaneously giving the control unit the opportunity to adapt and learn from the activity. During this procedure, it's important to observe if the door operates smoothly without stalling or failing to open or close completely. This step helps to determine if the previous DTCs are still present and functioning correctly. If issues persist despite completing this sequence, it further indicates that there may be an underlying electrical or mechanical issue that needs to be addressed. Documenting the door's performance during these cycles is essential for compiling accurate diagnostics. The final step in this troubleshooting protocol involves checking for any DTCs once again using the HDS diagnostic tool. This step is critical as it provides real-time insights into the performance of the right power sliding door system based on the actions taken in the previous steps. If DTCs B2083 or B2084 reappear, it signifies that the system is still experiencing malfunctions that need further diagnosis. The specific codes that appear can offer clues as to where the problem lies, especially if they indicate either a control unit failure or persistent electrical issues. Should no DTCs be indicated after the procedure, it suggests that the system is operating correctly and that any faults may have been intermittent or the components were restored to functionality. Continuous monitoring may be recommended to verify the system's stability moving forward. After all troubleshooting steps are completed, the next stage is to verify if repairs have been successful. Testing the sliding door's functionality is essential to ensure smooth operation and that it responds to both the automatic switch and manual intervention when necessary. This step involves observing the door during operation to confirm that it opens and closes reliably without any hesitation. Additionally, using the HDS to check for recurring DTCs will finalize the diagnostic process. If codes reappear, further investigations into circuit connections, components, and the power sliding door control unit may be required. Successful repair verification indicates that the malfunction has been resolved, ensuring the vehicle operates safely for the driver and passengers. To maintain the integrity of the power sliding door system and prevent future issues related to DTCs B2083 and B2084, regular preventive maintenance is essential. Routine inspections of the door components can identify wear and tear before it leads to system failures. Checking the functionality of the power sliding door control unit and associated wiring for any signs of fraying or damage will prolong the lifespan of the system. Additionally, ensuring proper lubrication at the joints and moving parts of the door assembly ensures smooth operation, reducing the risk of stalling or unresponsive behavior. Scheduling these maintenance checks on a regular basis, perhaps alongside standard vehicle service intervals, helps ensure that the sliding door continues to function optimally. Preventive care ultimately saves time and costs associated with repairs. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTCs B2083 and B2084 is vital for proper vehicle maintenance and repair. These codes pertain to significant components within the Honda Odyssey's sliding door system, indicating malfunctions that can affect usability and safety. Following the systematic troubleshooting steps ensures a thorough approach to diagnosing the issues, involving careful examination of all involved electrical and mechanical elements. Additionally, recognizing the importance of preventive maintenance reinforces the likelihood of avoiding similar problems in the future. By putting into practice these troubleshooting measures and maintenance strategies, technicians and vehicle owners can foster a smoother and more efficient operation of the power sliding doors, enhancing both functionality and safety in the Honda Odyssey. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.